How's it going, guys? Jelloby here, and welcome to my very first unboxing video. Welcome to my very first unboxing video. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Yesterday I got this. So these are $2 headphones or 99 pesos here in the Philippines. So these are the Tonsion T45s. So if you want to check it out, you can check it out at Lazada. I don't know what other countries outside the Philippines would actually sell these. Since I've searched them in Amazon, they're not available there. And yeah, let's get on with the unboxing. So yeah, that Tonsion T45s. So yeah, let's open it up. So no tape, as you can see. Let me just read what's outside the box. So multimedia stereo headset, a microphone, and I don't know what's this. Can you see that? The right logo, I'm not sure. So enough with the specs. So I'll just show it the specs on cam. Can you see that? Yeah, let's get on with it. Let's open it up and okay. So no. nothing really much, since I didn't even expect much. These are $2 headphones. Might I add. So these are the Tonsion T45s. They're cheap, of course. They're $2 headphones. What do you expect? So okay, one for the microphone jack, and the headphone jack. So here's your microphone, and yeah, that's pretty much it. The Tonsion T45s. So I'm gonna be giving you a sound check of the mic and my personal opinion of how this sound when listening to music or when gaming. So yeah. So guys, now checking the sound quality of the headphones itself. So please ignore the noise outside. That's actually my dad listening to music. So just pay attention to me. So I have to tell you guys, I'm a bit surprised because these actually sound good. Well, not the best, of course. They sound a little muffled, but sound quality wise, it's good. I would say from a rating of 1 to 10, I would rate this as a 6. Not bad, actually. I'm gonna remind you again, these are $2 headphones or 99 pesos again here in the Philippines. So yeah, now for a mic check, the sound quality of the mic. So guys, what you're hearing right now is the microphone from the Tonsion T45. So no software enhancements, no nothing else. I just plugged into the I plug in the microphone headphone jack and the headphone jack. Yeah, what am I saying? So yeah, what you're hearing right now is the exact quality of the microphone untouched. So nothing else, no software enhancements, and yeah, what can you say? And I would actually recommend this. Might I remind you again, these are $2 headphones or 99 pesos again here in the Philippines. So yeah. So okay, the Tonsion T45. So I'm actually surprised by these headphones. So I think I might actually recommend this. Again, these are $2 headphones. Headphones aren't even meant to be sold at that price point. That's not even a price point for headphones. So yeah, like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I hope I'll be able to do tech reviews in the future if I make enough money. And yeah, I really appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. Yeah, I really appreciate it. And let me know what you think in the comment section below. Did you find this helpful? So yeah, I'll be leaving the link to it in the description down below if you want to check it out. And I'll see you guys next time.